Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 7th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, gold made its way up to the 161% Fib extension, which is a more likely area to actually see a real turn to the downside, like I was saying this morning. Now, the problem is that my weekly time frame Fibonacci extension, the next level for that is actually right around the $4,200 area. So, unfortunately, anything I see to the downside, I definitely would still be looking at nothing more than a pullback within an uptrend. I still think there's a very good chance that this could just continue up. The 161 is a pretty important area, but that higher time frame Fibonacci around 4200 is likely even a more important area. There's really nothing stopping this wave 3 from being over. I definitely would still be recommending longs at the end of every pullback I see, unless you start getting a very significant break of structure to the downside on preferably like the 4 hour time frame and up. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.